Introducing the Snub Gun Kit. This is an extremely lightweight and high quality solution, and the cool thing about this kit is it allows for one-handed operation, which is great when you're washing a car or a pickup truck, something smaller. This kit includes the MTM Hydro PF22 foam cannon, which is the best of its kind on the market. And this is the quick disconnect that allows for you to plug your rinse nozzle straight in right here and makes it very lightweight. You can also plug a lance in here if you have one. This is the Suttner ST2315 squeeze trigger, nice German-made squeeze trigger, very durable. And this is the Mosmatic DGV inline swivel, which allows for the hose to spin freely and a little bit less wrist fatigue when you're power washing. This kit also comes with a nice wash mitt here and our Liquid X, which will bead for about a month when you use it on any vehicle. So great, fast solution and gets you looking on point in a hurry. So check it out. I hope you guys enjoy it.